Hey guys, this is Tyrone of Greenhouse Systems. I just wanted to go over setting up a proper Facebook ad. This is a carpet cleaning ad. I'm not going to wait, so let's just get right into it. All right, so let's start. So make sure everyone understands you have a campaign level, ad set level, and an ad level. So we'll start the campaign. I usually structure this. I set it up leads, carpet cleaning, then I'll put in the date that it starts. That just helps me keep track of it. All right, let's scroll down. I usually set up the ABO, which is the Advantage Budget Optimization, for the at the campaign level. I usually start $20 a day when I'm testing. So basically, what this option does within an ad set is usually made for multiple ad sets, but I still like to turn it on because it'll distribute budget across all the ads, not evenly, but it'll choose the ones that's performing and push those. So, but I do suggest if you're a beginner in the testing phase, just run the budget at the ad set level. All right, let's go to the ad sets. So also too, this is a lead campaign. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, so it's a lead campaign. All right, and I run leads. I don't run a form. I still run to the website. To me, it just works better this way. Higher conversions. Customers are, to me, they're better off. They're gonna choose you when they go this route if they go through the survey and everything else. All right. So I already set my pixel. Got my conversion event to a thank you page after form submission. That way, it'll pick up the conversion. All right, and I run a broad audience. Usually run age range 30 to 64. That's usually the age range because in 2024 buying houses usually start out around 27 years old, but I still like to run 30 to 64. Anything over 64, 65, people just start to click on it. It kind of messes up the algorithm. All right, I do all genders. All right, so when it comes to placements, I usually do the big six, what I call the big six. So Facebook feeds, Instagram feed, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, Instagram reels, and Facebook reels. That's all I run. The rest of them, they just eat up budget. So these are the main ones the customers are gonna come from. All right, let's get into the ad at the ad level. And I just named this, so I like to run a reel style. Really is like a 916. So scroll down. Uh, you don't have to turn this off. You can test it. I would suggest testing everything. Like just don't go with what I say. Test it out for yourself also. All right, we can get into the ad copy. So how I do my ad copy, maybe a little different from others. I like to do a conversational, direct to the point. So let's go over this. So always call out your target audience in the beginning. So hello, Houston and nearby homeowners frustrated with carpet stains that just won't budge and allergens that stick around. Also, too, like your first 50 characters are the most important. So it should also always be a pain point in the beginning to help them click more because that's what you want. You want them to come here, read that. Okay, now I want to know more and click see more. Oh, sorry about that. All right, so I usually use two ad variations. Because you want to let the algorithm do its thing. You don't want to get fatigued, ad fatigue. So if you just have one ad, You run it long enough, you're going to get ad fatigue. So this helps it out last longer. All right. I do one headline. So usually when I run carpet cleaning, I don't like to do cash offers. I'll do a percentage because a lot of times customers don't know what you charge. But if you do 3 for 89, like I be seeing a lot of, like, you're obligated to that. So I do 20% off. They don't know what I charge. So you want to start there versus just giving a price, and you'll start to see you'll get the right type of customers. Because at 3 at 89, do you really want that customer? Because you're going to go in there, the house looks like shit, dog piss everywhere. So you don't want that. All right, and I do a short description, just one sentence. And I'll let y'all see the ad also. So this was made in Canva. It's a template I created. These type videos work really well, because what happens is the potential client, they're going to read this, so it's going to up your engagement. And also to always click advanced preview, where I can see them at all platforms, see what they're going to look like. All right. And that's pretty much it with the ad part of it. See, this is the easy part. It's always the stuff in the back that makes it go. So let's go to my landing page. So simple landing page. Um, I changed the way I do it. I don't put the number anymore. I used to put the number, but sometimes if you put the number, it conflicts with what else you have going on. So to keep them on the correct customer journey, I make a survey. This is a survey with some testimonials, reviews, and I always do like a letter to them in here. Like that's my whole landing page. So, but the key is the survey. This is the survey. So you gotta have a good headline. So when they click on it, they're gonna say, "Welcome. We're here to make carpet cleaning easy and worry-free. Just share a little bit about your needs, and we'll prepare you for a free customized quote right away." So now you have the first question: what type of property is it? These are the typical properties that you may run into: homes, businesses, townhomes, duplexes, mobile homes, depending where you're at. All right, so I'll just click home. Let's go to the next. So what type of carpet do you have? A lot of times they don't know. They'll just click not sure. Okay, let's go not sure. Are there any specific stains? So this survey is going to take them down the customer journey. It's going to ask them all the questions you need to make the quote. So that way you can't be surprised when you get there, because they answered all the questions. So let's say I have pet stains. Have you ever had your carpet professionally cleaned before? This lets you know what kind of level that the cleanliness may be when you go there. Let's say no, not this first time. And you have to answer all these questions too, so they can't just skip through it without you having it. So what's your main priority for this cleaning? Let's say stain removal and deep cleaning for freshness. Do you have any children, individuals with allergies or sensitives in the household? Let's say yes, pets. So usually pets and pet stains go hand in hand. So how frequently do you vacuum or clean your carpets? Say monthly. All right, are there any specific odors or areas with lingering smells? So you want to take them through all the pain points. Because if you gather all the pain points, then when you talk back to them and give them the quote, when you speak with this, you'll be able to go on the pain points, and the price won't really matter much. All right. So now room and area details. So you'll pick all your rooms, area, then you enter your personal information. Okay, that's it. So on the back end, I'm gonna show you what it looks like on the back end. All right, so this is carpet funnel. So all right, so let's start off at survey submitted. So how it works is, so once the survey is submitted, it's going to assign to a user. It's going to send an email out to the customer. I'll show you what the email says. So thank you for reaching out to us for your carpet cleaning needs. We received your request and are currently reviewing the details to prepare a free customized quote tailored to your specific needs. So by saying it like that, it it makes the customer feel special, and it becomes not about price. Here's what happens: personal review, quick follow up. So we let them know we're going to reach back out in 24 to 48 hours to give them the quote. Schedule your cleaning. These are just the processes you take. So after the same thing too, we'll send an SMS. Going to send a conversion back to the API. So this is considered a lead. Going to send internal notification. So the internal notification, send an SMS first. Great news, you have a new lead. Check your email, the customer information. Then on the email, you have all the information. Hello team, new carpet cleaning quote request has been submitted. You have the homeowner information. You have all the carpet details here. All right, that's it for that. So all this works hand in hand. This will help your conversion rates. So also too, it's another little nugget we do. So we have in the carpet ad, we also have a automated comment and DM. So when a customer leaves a comment, a lot of times they might like, what does it cost? You can always get back. So what this does, it'll automatically send us out. So thanks for reaching out. We love to help you with all your carpet cleaning needs. And so I just sent you a message with more details. Check your DM. So automated message. So this is the message we send. Hey, Joe Blow, thanks for reaching out about our carpet cleaning services. We're excited to help you refresh your carpets. Just a couple quick questions to help us prepare a perfect quote for you. So just a couple of how many rooms and areas, do you have any specific concerns? You know, we'll provide a free personalized quote to you. So that way that, there's no lead left behind. And also too, let me show you this that we use. This is a script that I made. Let me pull this up. So this also helps you help future clients. So after the survey, we usually I usually have it set up where I just give an automation text back with how much it costs. But I noticed that if you give them a call, it works a lot better. So this is kind of a phone script. Let me make it a little bigger. All right, so you have an introduction. Hi, this is Tyrone from Sims Professional Cleaning Service. I'm reaching out because you recently filled out a carpet cleaning survey. Do you have a few minutes to talk about it? Okay. Confirm survey details. So looks like you're interested in deep cleaning, stain removal. A lot of our clients with similar needs notice a big improvement right away. So you want to give them that assurance that you're the right fit. Now, understanding their problem. How long have you noticed this issue? So you want them to relive through these pain points again and again. That way, when you bring them back up and this is what this costs, you don't have a lot of the times, well, let me call my husband, or you know how they do. So also too, after that, I offer a solution. After a carpet cleaning process, usually specialized equipment will remove dirts, allergens, odors, leave your carpets refreshed. Plus, we also offer a free deodorizer treatment for our customers. So you always want to add value before giving the price. So add all the value you can. So now give a price and book a time. So for the cleaning you need, so that's the key part, for the cleaning you need, not just, well, you want 3 rooms, well, this is the price. No. So for the cleaning that you need, for the problems that you have, this is our price. And follow it up by saying we have an opening on such and such day or alternative day, which works better for you. Pause and let them answer. So even though, so a lot of times you'll get objections too. So one of them is, I need to think about it. They'll say that at the price given. A lot of times they don't want to make a immediate decision. But what you want to say is, of course, what questions do you have? Maybe I can clear things up for you so you feel more confident about moving forward. Or they may say it's too expensive. So then I understand a lot of clients feel the same way initially, but see the value once their carpets look and smell new. Plus, our free deodorizer adds extra freshness with extra cost. Let's go over another one. I'm not sure it'll make a difference really. A lot of times that's just a common concern. But our equipment and process goes deeper than the most. It lifts even the toughest stains and odors. So you always want to reassure them. So the famous one, I need to check with my spouse. So one thing you could say is, that makes sense. I kind of send you a quick summary of what we talked about along with a few client testimonies to help with your decision. Would that help? Sometimes they'll soften them up. I've used other carpet cleaners and stains came back. So one of the things you can say, I get that our process focuses on residue-free cleaning, which helps ensure stains don't reappear. Many of our clients stay with us because we get lasting results. You always want to seem like to the client that you're the expert. They should always feel like you're the expert. Lead them in the way you want. Don't let them lead you, and don't get timid about your pricing. So that's just a quick overview of how I run Facebook ads. Drop a like, subscribe to my page. Any questions, just shoot them in the comments. Thanks.